Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix Microsoft account creation has been blocked. So the first thing what I choose to do here is to use a different browser. If you're using Chrome, for example, or other, try to use other basically browser like Brave or whatsoever, and then just need to just go MS account here and MS account and look if the problem persists with a different browser. If this do not work, go to your browser, press on the three dots on the top right, then go to settings. On search, you just need to write cache, then press on delete browsing data, and then select all time and delete all the browsing data from the device, and then try again. If it's not working, then try to use different device like if you're using a computer, you can use your phone, and also try to use your cellular data, not your Wi-Fi that you, for example, trying or Ethernet that you're trying to create account on PC, and then look if the problem persists. Next up, what you need to do here, you need to go to your extensions on the top right. You should see a manage extension button here and manage extensions, and look if you do not use some sort of ad blockers or whatsoever. If you're using them, just to remove them or just disable them and then try again. So it can blockers can prevent you from creating an account. Also, if you're using private DNS on your Android phone or iPhone, try to disable them and just use a public DNS because it can block the creation. And also on the browser, you can do that by simply go to settings, and then you need to go to privacy and security. Then you need to go to a security, and then you should see select the DNS provider here and make sure it's Google or Cloudflare DNS. Do not use OpenDNS because also it can be the case why you cannot create an account. And if nothing is working, then try to download a VPN, connect it, and then look if the problem persists after that when you try to create an account. And that's pretty much it. So comment in comment section if I help you out, and yeah, that's pretty much it.